We are live?
Yeah, we are live now.
Okay. A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all friends and colleagues all around the world. Here we are again with our famous foreigner sessions, and today we are going to talk about periodontology. And uh, it's by choice that the host and the speaker both are periodontists today. So this is Dr. and Professor Pratinder Singh, and the speaker is Dr. Maisy Eliezer from Israel.
Yeah.
And I would like to introduce the speaker for today. She's a trusted dental surgeon who has completed her 3 years of post-graduation in an EFP accredited program in periodontology. She is well-driven, ambitious, and very highly motivated, whilst paying attention to every detail in her clinics. An experienced doctor who has served 10 years successfully diagnosing, treating, and managing patients' oral illness and diseases. 7 years of experience working in a research lab in dental animal research and cell culture. That's an amazing CV. 14 publications in respectable journals. Won several prizes regarding research, lecturing around the world in aspects of periodontology, oral implantology, soft tissue management. So today we have a very amazing topic. Dr. Macy